me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Sweat.
Them like touching like right where your brow bone hits. Like your natural lashes are really long ago.
My serum.
Oh, what
And
serum do you use?
Grande Lash. Yeah, like more of like a cat eye.
Yeah. Not even a cat eye. I'm thinking more like a squirrel eye. So like I'll probably, the highest point will probably be here.
Okay.
And then gradually go a little bit down, but it'll still kind of give that effect.
Okay.
But yeah.
be floating.